Welcome back to the competition series. This competition feels a little different. The WCA has introduced a new judging system, so instead of kids rushing around and calling names, competitors now wait at their stations while judges bring their cubes. I am patiently waiting for my turn. Let's see how this new system plays out. This new way of competing brings a sense of calmness and focus for serious competitors. Instead of the usual rush, it allows them to relax, breathe, and concentrate while waiting for the cube to arrive with the judge. A more peaceful approach, giving every solver a fair chance to perform at their best. I'm loving this system.
Direction.